From FXEmpire, this is Chris taking a look at the British pound, and as you can see, we have pulled back to 132.5. Bounce from there, and now we're kind of waiting on the Brexit situation to resolve itself. It looks like we're getting close to the end, but here we are about fish again. The reality is, and unfortunately most retail traders will probably fall victim to this. Once the Brexit gets signed, they'll probably go in hand over fist with both feet as highly levered as they can for the move higher. And we very well could get a pop higher. But the entire time that this has been going on, you can see that the British pound has been rallying. And the question is why? Well, it's because the market already figured out there was a deal. Now, longer term, I do believe that the British pound goes much higher. I look at it from a historical point of view. We are definitely cheap. You can make an argument. Off the top of my head, I want to say the average price of the last 30 years is around 163-ish. So, yes, we have further to go. Biggest problem you're going to have is a lot of retail traders are going to lever their account and think that we just take straight off and up to the moon here. We could very well get a pullback to the 50-day EMA, and let us not forget that the time of year makes it somewhat thin anyways. But the question now is going to be, even if we get a Brexit deal, there will be about 2,000 pages of the deal to read through. There will be things coming out that may or may not be good for the pound. And then furthermore, you have to take a look at the lockdowns in Great Britain. I mean, there's a lot of questions to ask about this pair. It's not just the Brexit. Yes, there will probably be a celebratory bounce. But at that point in time, then we have to reset, start to look at the UK through the prism of its own economy. So that's where things get a little difficult. I'm not a big fan of trading this pair right now. If I had to, I'd be a buyer of pullbacks. That's probably the best way to look at it.